Hey guys, today I'm showing you a really cute way I've been styling my hair with my straightener. The products I've used are Moroccan oil and a heat protection spray, but I didn't show the spray in this video. FYI, Moroccan oil is very heavy. I use it because my hair is quite dry at the moment, just a little heads up. As you can see, for this style, I straighten only the very top of each strand I grab. I slowly pull the straightener from the top section of each strand, roughly 3 times, and then I drag the straightener the rest of the way to the end, much faster. The reason I've started styling my hair this way is because my hair is currently quite damaged and I needed to shorten the time I use heat tools on it, particularly on the ends where the damage is the worst. Once hair salons reopen, I reckon I need to pay a visit for a bit of a hair transformation. Shoot me a comment if you have suggestions of what I should get done. And to that, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can check out what I let them do to my hair. I'll post it and link it here somewhere. So anyway, this hairstyle is for those who already have curly or wavy hair that they want to tame. If you're like me and you have somewhat damaged hair, you can try this look without doing the last step of running the straightener all the way to the ends and see how it turns out, because the goal here is to avoid using hot tools on the ends of my hair. However, I personally have to run the straightener all the way through, at least just once, because my hair is too curly, and the difference when I didn't do that was too significant, it looked weird. But whether you have curly or wavy hair, I'd so love to see how this look turns out on you. My Instagram is linked below, so please mention me in a post or something, and that way I can check out how this look turns out on you. So anyways, FYI, I didn't time how long this all took, but I know it was under 20 minutes, which is really quick for me, and my hair lasts like this for a few days. I'm looking forward to doing something new with my hair. I want to cut and maybe some colour, but nothing that will really cause more damage. So I'm looking into all options currently. I'm all ears to suggestions, or if you know any great products, I'll try it out. And if you're curious, the lashes I'm wearing in this video, I stuck them on myself after the lockdown happened. They are about 3 weeks old at this point, so they don't look as good anymore, and I've taken them off now. But if you are interested, I'll be posting a how-to in the next week or so stay tuned for that. What I like about this hairstyle, by the way, is how manageable it's made my curls. I realized I've been straightening my hair and then adding curls back in, but instead I can just not fully straighten my hair and achieve a look along the similar concept, but kind of with a unique twist that's been my own, which has been really cool. So while I was doing this, I looked up some common interesting myths and facts about hair that I thought you guys might be interested in, so here they are. 1. Does my hair grow faster if I cut it regularly? The verdict is that is a myth. The reason is because your hair is dead. It has no nerve endings or blood vessels. That is why it doesn't hurt when you have a haircut. 2. Does regularly brushing my hair make my hair more shiny? The verdict for that is that it's also a myth. No, it does not, and it's likely to rough up the cuticles unnecessarily and make your hair duller, if anything. Number 3, does eating crusts make hair grow curly? That is a myth. What you eat does not shape your hair, genetics does. Number 4, if I leave my conditioner in overnight, will it condition more? The verdict is that that is a fact, and I think that's pretty straightforward. Although apparently there is still a time limit because there's only so far conditioner can penetrate into your hair, but leaving it in overnight will ensure you get the maximum benefit from your conditioner. Number 5, does rubbing my hair with a towel really damage it? That is also a fact. But before I tell you why, just quickly, here is how I part my hair. I use a bobby pin and I just run it through the middle to divide the hair cleanly. And that's because I always misplace my comb, and bobby pins are way easier to take with me in my bag, in my car, wherever. So yeah, anyways, the reason rubbing your hair with a towel when it's wet is bad is because your hair is very prone to damage when it is wet. So rubbing it will cause friction and will roughen it up a bit. Not a good idea. Number 6, does anything other than a cut mend split ends? The thing I'm reading says that it's a myth, but I don't really know why because it's written as a question. But anyways, the answer is nothing other than a good cut will mend split ends. Number 7, if I pull out one grey hair, will 2 grow back in its place? This is of course a myth, because if you think about it, if that was true and you just had to pull out one hair to grow back 2 hairs, everybody would be doing this. It would be the new hair growth beauty hack for thicker hair, and no. Anyways, that's all I have time for regarding myths and facts. I will link the website below for where I got them from, so you can check them out if you want to. But that's it. This is how my hair has turned out. And I so want to hear from you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you think the routine looks really easy, if you're going to try it out yourself. And yeah, I really like this hairstyle. I find it really convenient, so I'm definitely going to continue to do it, especially during this time while I'm waiting for salons to open up and I can go get a haircut. But yeah, here's a close-up of how it looks. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed those hair facts, and please hit that like button to show your support. I'll be releasing another video soon, so hit that subscribe button as well, and I'll see you next time. Bye!